Welcome back to Quiz Realm. Can you answer these general knowledge questions? There are 50 questions. You will receive 5 seconds for each question. Let's start now. Comment your marks in the comment section. What do we use to smell? Nose. Exactly. Which organ pumps blood? Heart. You doing great. Which planet is known as the red planet? Can you guess? It's Mars. What do plants need to make food? Sunlight. Which part of the body helps us see? Eyes. Very easy. What is H2O commonly known as? Water. Which gas do humans breathe in? Oxygen. Brilliant. Which do we use to taste food? Again, very easy one. Tongue. Which organ help you breathe? Lungs. Which shape is the Earth? Earth is round. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. What do bones form in our body? Yes, it's skeleton. What do bees collect from flowers? Nectar. What do we call baby frogs? Can you answer? Exactly, it is tadpoles. Which star is closest to the Earth? Sun. What organ helps you think? Brain. What do we breathe out? Carbon dioxide. Which animal gives us milk? Yes, it's cow. Which sense organ helps us hear? Ears. Very easy. What force pulls things down? Gravity. Basics. Where does food first enter? Its mouth. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Earth. What do plants release into the air? Oxygen. What do fish use to breathe? Correct, it's gills. What is the center of the solar system? Sun. Which organ stores urine? Bladder. What feeling is the heart associate with? It's love. Which organ helps clean our blood? Kidney. Which part of the plant is usually green? Yes, it's leaf. What do you call water in solid form? Ice. What sense helps you feel touch? Skin. Which animal is the king of the jungle? Absolutely, it's lion. Where do you finish stars? This is super easy. Sky. What do birds use to fly? Wings. Which organ helps digest food? Stomach. What is Earth's natural satellite? Moon. What liquid do plants absorb from soil? Water. Which sense organ help you see colors? Eyes. What is the boiling point of the water? 100 Celsius. Which planet has rings? Correct, it's Saturn. Where does rain come from? Clouds. What part of our body grows hair? Skin. Which organ helps store memories? Brain. What do you call young ones of a cat? Kittens. What do birds build to lay eggs? Nest. Which planet is known for its storms, Great Red Spot? Jupiter. What do we use to write on paper? Pen. What happens when water freezes? It turns to ice. How many you got correct? Comment below. Subscribe our Quiz Realm channel for more exciting quiz.